John went to the market to buy 100 items of 3 types, viz. 1, 2 and 3 for his shop with 20,000. He bought at least 2 units of each type of item. The prices of 1 unit of each of type 1 item, type 2 item and type 3 item are 2,400 and 100. If John spends all the amount with him and bought an integral number of items of each type, of course, it's an item, integral hi rahega. Find the number of type 3 items bought by him. Okay, so let's say this first, second and third, these are X, Y and Z. These are the number of items, okay, of each type. This is given to us as 100. And then it is given that at least 2 units of each type he is going to buy. So suppose he buys 2 units of 2000 wala. So 4000, right? 4000. If he buys 2 units of 400, because that much he has to buy anyway. So that's 800. And 2 units of that 100, that is another 200. So 4,000 plus 800 plus 200, $5,000 he has anyways going to spend, right? So he's left with only $15,000. And he's going to pay 2,000 for X. Now here X is not going to be, I mean the sum is not 100, it's going to be 94 now. Because out of 100, 2 items of each X, Y, Z are taken. So 6 items are already bought. And 15,000 is the only money that now he is supposed to pay. So plus 400 Y plus 100 Z, this should be equal to 1500. I can get rid of zeros, 2 zeros to make the calculation easier. So we will have 20x plus 4y plus z is equal to 150. So we have these two equations, right? And 3 variables. So we need to find out type 3, as in we need to find out how much z is going to be. Well, let's do one thing. Let's subtract. So we will have 19x plus 3y is equal to 150 minus 94, which is 56. 19, if I put x as 1, so this is going to be 37. 37 and 3y, I'll get y as fraction, right? You need integral. Okay, what if I put x is equal to 2? If I put x is equal to 2, this is going to be 38. So 3y will be equal to 18. 38 plus 18 is 56. This will give us an answer. Because anyways, x is equal to 3 is not possible, you know? So when x is equal to 2, and 18 means y will be equal to 6. We will get the values as possible. I mean, this will be solvable. So if x is 2 and y is 6, so z is going to be 88. 88 plus 8 is 86. 86 plus 8 is 94. So z is 86. But don't forget, we had actually bought 2 items of each XYZ, so 2 items more hai, to usko add karna padega. So it's going to be 86 plus 2, 88. So 88 is going to be the answer. So total he bought of type 3 items, total number of items he bought was 88. 86 by solving and 2 which we have already assumed that he has bought.